All right, let's work a couple extra examples. Let's start here with number 13. So here I have that a log is equal to a log, and because they have the same base, I can simply go straight to saying 9x minus 7 is equal to 5x plus 33, and then just do some algebra. So that'll give me 4x is equal to 40, and then x is equal to 10. And if I plug 10 back into either log, I'll still have a positive number. So 10 is a possible solution. All right, let's look at another one that's probably more challenging. Let's look at, some more where a log is equal to a constant. Let's look at 18. Well, let's do 17 and 18. So remember, for both of these, I have to condense first. So starting with 17 I don't need to condense at all. 17 is a log is equal to a constant. So I'm going to rewrite this in exponential form, and that would be that e to the 5th power is equal to 4w plus 9. And I find out what e to the 5th power is on my calculator. So e to the 5th power is about 148.4. And that's 4w plus 9. So I subtract 9. And I get that 4w is equal to 139.6. And then I divide both sides by 4. And I get my final answer is that w is approximately 34.85. All right, let's look at 18 now. 18 I have to condense because this is subtraction. That's going to be my my quotient rule. So that would be k over 14 is equal to 2. So I rewrite this in exponential form. And I need to find out what e squared is. So I go back to my calculator. And I get that it's about 7.4. And then to solve for k, I need to multiply by 14. And I get that k is equal to about 103.4. So those aren't too bad. Let's find one that's a little bit trickier. Let's look at 21. So the first thing I need to do with 21 is move this 27 over to the other side. I need to isolate my exponential. And I'm going to get that e to the y minus 1 power is equal to 81. So then I rewrite this as a log, and I get that the natural log of 81 is equal to y minus 1. So now I want to find out what the natural log of 81 is. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. And I can do so in my calculator. So I'm ln of 81 is about 4.4. So if 4.4 is equal to y minus 1, I solve for y by adding 1 to both sides, and I get that y is 5.4. All right, let's do number 24, and then we'll call it a day. So the first thing I need to do is isolate my exponential. So I'm going to move this 8 over first, and then I have that 3e to the 4m minus 7 power is equal to 114. And then I need to get rid of that 3, so I'm going to have to divide on both sides. And I get that e to the 4m minus 7 power is equal to 38. And now I'm ready to rewrite this as a log, and so I'll find that the natural log of 38 is equal to 4m minus 7. Then I want to find the natural log of 38 in my calculator. And it's about 3.7. So 3.7 is equal to 4m minus 7. So I add 7, and I get that 10.7 is equal to 4m. Then I divide by 4, and I get that my final result is m equals 2.66-ish.